Stay by me and don't let go. You're so lovely, I love you so. Stay by me. What's up, man? I want to open the door with my key, yeah. You were never meant to be in everywhere. I want to open the door with my key, yeah. You were never meant to be. Only when you put that one, man. She never gonna give up on turbulence, no time. Woman, all you think to me, say that's your time. She worked every night and day, through the rain and the sunshine. What's the word? No one could pay. Lovely. Pull up. Now without a Sizzla, you can't have a turbulence. Now people didn't know, but let me tell you from now, tonight, a Sizzla Kalange is a turbulence. Mr. Philip Fatis Burrell is the turbulence. So me can't, Sizzla can't keep this a minute there. Only man will like Kingston and see I cha. Yes, Sizzla, me sing girl tune to you know. Me sing woman tune to, me sing nice too. I'm gonna give you one. Can you have some boy whenever I call to the woman, they're gonna approach, you know. That song you play everywhere in the world, you know. Especially in the Jamaican dance. Everybody in Jamaica supposed to know that song, yeah. But now if you have approach, don't make the ladies crush you like roach. When you want to know that it's the last year. Hold on. It was love at first time when I saw her that night. And I knew from that moment the thoughts in the deep were golden. Goosebumps came all over me. When I look, no one, all of the people have to sing it. Hey, Firehouse, balance it. Everybody sing it out. I need you by my side. I need you. Pull out. Don't breathe on. Give thanks and praise for life, health and strength. Give me something else, man.
Box cover.
What's a cross road, yeah? Ain't no one on here. When I can't let me start it. All the love it, sir. Let me start it for now. Hey, give me the one chop again now. Listen, the one in you, we've got the love I've been searching for. God bless our love. Come now. Let me hear you know we've got the love I've been searching. I want to enter your sister Kalange show. Here a girl to me, you see you. Hey baby, tell you say she wants a natty on her front line. I will be there with her. You think of that? You think of that? Old MacDonald had a farm, and on that farm he had some cows. But the people them yam off the cow, yam off the goat, yam off the chicken, yam off the pork. Old MacDonald had a farm. They said the one that name run cow, run pig, run for your life. See the cannibal there, pull. Now overdo it, give me something else. could have been one of them. Give me it again. Yo, Mr. Taurus Riley, big up yourself, yo. You're General 19. All over no corruption, right finger, sir. All over no corruption, put your nice guys, sir. Yo, Mr. No one on you. I could have been one of them. Notorious, I'm a said. Let me hear you over your come. I could have. Mr. Sign Language Man. Mr. Sign Language Man. Let me hear if you can do this. No, let me see if you can do this. Balance! What again? Balance! Big up yourself. I sit like a land show there, you know. So we have to hold the joy. We have to celebrate with him. I know a lot of stush people there. Nobody don't want to move. Everybody just look for the Kingston. Everybody for your move, this is like a lunch. Everybody for your move.